It's your boy here, Emerald Slayer, and welcome to Universe Sandbox. Now, what are we doing in this episode, you may be asking? Well, this is a fun little experiment called the Star Tournament. Today, we're going to be pitting two stars up against each other. The sun, and I gotta make sure they're out of orbit, so I'm gonna play still. Wow. We're gonna play some the actual distance they are apart, around 4 light years. Now, let's see what they look like without these completely gone, which doesn't actually make sense. Oh well, let's hop into the sun. So, I'm gonna explain what this contest is exactly. So, exactly what it is it's a contest to see which star is the most habitable. Like, and obviously it's the sun, because it's the only one that has confirmed life. And you'd be right about it being the only star with confirmed life. But, dear viewer, we're gonna see just how many Earths these stars can actually, how many habitable Earths these stars can actually hold. So first, I don't know why I clicked on that. First, we'll have damn, Proxima Centauri is tiny. First, we should probably get the habitable zones on. There we go. So we can actually put Earths in it. Put Earths in them. Not launch it. Like there, right there. That, or we're gonna start off with one Earth. There's Proxima Centauri. I miss the texture. We might actually switch back to the textures. Right now, Proxima Centauri's habitable zone is going to be a lot smaller than the sun's. So theoretically, the sun should win. But not everything is theoretical. We're gonna let this run for a few years. It's like 5 years. See what happens. 3 years. 3 years is good enough. This Earth is a lot colder, but I'd say it's dropped in temperature quite significantly, but it is still habitable. And that's on the inner side of the habitable zone. Jeez. So the habitable zone is supposed to, whatever. Let's go over here to the sun. And the sun's Earth. Which, yikes. Oops. I think I may. Which is also still habitable. It is dropping, huh? Okay, so after it's been 5 years, we'll put another Earth in each one, bringing the total up to 2 Earths per star. I actually don't know how long this video is gonna be. I'll shoot for at least 10 minutes, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. might interact gravitationally. I also have a lot of stuff over here. But I've got a habitable Mars, and somewhere in here a habitable Venus. I don't know where it's at, but there's a habitable up here. It is Venus too. Sucks less. All right, running another 5 years, and see what happens. These Earths are going really fast, and bingo. This Earth is not even that much closer to the star than that Earth. Oh, this one actually raised temperature. I bet you. Imagine if these two are doing better than the Sun's Earth, which would be quite sad because both of those are still habitable. How are the Sun's Earths doing? Stop that. How are the Sun's Earths doing? This one, it's -8 degrees. And this one, okay, what's wrong with the sun? It's got a 0.9% or similarity. So that means it's almost 1% as similar to Earth. What? That it's rounder in space. Cause this over here is a ball of silicates, metals and silicates, with life on it. This is a giant ball of plasma powered by nuclear fusion. So tell me how it's even this similar. Core temperature. A lot. Okay, so the closer one, how's that one? That one, yeah, these ones are still doing really, really bad. So let's drop in another one. Let's drop in another one. Another one. Actually, let's drop in. Actually, let's drop in second Venus too, you know? It's a good planet. It's a good planet. Apparently, by the looks of it, Proxima Centauri is beating the sun's ass right now. At 0.00229 solar luminosity. What can I do? Watts. That many watts. We're gonna go. Oh, so that gives it texture. And mind you, it's a nice texture. Ooh. It's a nice texture too. Why can't we have that on the hot stars? Anyway, let's drop in a Venus too. That one might be a little close. I don't know. And let's go to 15 years. This is racing around the stars. It's just habitable. Potentially. Habitable. We're counting that as habitable, even though the game apparently doesn't. 61% life likelihood is habitable to me, at least. You better step up your game, son, or this sad, pathetic star that honestly is like tiny underdog is gonna beat you out. So all three of its planets are habitable, at least temperature-wise, in some aspect. See, they're not like perfect, but they're habitable. How's the sun doing over here? Oh, sun, are you winning? Not really. Negative 28 degrees. Negative 57 degrees. But they are still habitable. That is impressive. That is very impressive. So they're still tied. Let's throw in a Mars. Actually, no, let's do another Earth. Closer than Venus. You better not freeze, because you are on the inner part of the habitable zone. You are on, quite literally, Oh, because the habitable zone changes with each planet, yeah. And you're not even in it. Right, because each planet, depending on composition, has a different distance from the star. It would be habitable, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 a bunch of science crap nobody wants to hear. Bingo. See, this stuff is habitable. Now let's go to like, oh my god, that is seizure inducing. See, this is nice. It's calm. They're just racing around the star. Frozen. Is it habitable? Is it habitable? Yes. 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 And it went up. Wow. Habitable? Oh. Yes. It is habitable. Wow. The sun is holding on despite everything in it freezing. Proxima Centauri? How we doing over here? Earth? 54.5 Fahrenheit. 131 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not looking too good. Nice. And still technically habitable. Technically. We'll count it for now. It's technically 61. I was to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Whatever. Whatever. There might be other factors. That's 82. 82%? 94%. And obviously, like, once they start throwing each other out, that's the end of that star. It's done. It's out. Because that's the limit of planets once they start flying out. I mean, we could have just looked up. Let's go. Let's just go to 30 years in, and because like this looks like a good solar system. Bunch of Earths, a Venus 2, sucks less. Bingo, 30 years. How are we doing here? Hey, one that hasn't frozen. Nice. 67, technically habitable. 79, technically habitable. Venus. Satanic, but technically habitable. 91, technically, that is definitely habitable. 85, definitely habitable. Now let's go check Proxima, because the sun is making a comeback. But is Proxima Centauri making a comeback? Well, by the looks of it, Proxima Centauri is out of planetary room for Earth. So, go in here, grab 2 more Earths, and run it another 10, we'll run it 10 years, and see if they go flying. If they do, disqualified. I mean, technically it's still in the system. It's almost certainly not habitable. But it's breaking apart. But all of these are still technically habitable. I mean, oh. Yeah, no. How are you doing? There's no way you're habitable. Oh. Well, let's put 2 more Earths in. Make it a little bit more interesting. Put 2 more Earths in here. Bye, Venus 2. Have a good life. You're a good friend. See, look at how stable the solar system still is. Let's drop 2 more Earths in here. Now, I think now is about the time the solar system starts to break apart. But maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe it'll hold together perfectly fine. So far, it is. Proxima Centauri, on the other hand, probably has more ejected. Yeah. I think Proxima Centauri is done for. Like, done for. We'll run this till 69 years, and I think that's gonna be it. Sorry, Proxima. It looks like you're getting knocked out of the tournament. I'm so sorry. Life likelihood. So far, a lot of those are still habitable somehow down. But that is only 1, 2, 3, 4 habitable worlds. And everyone else got ejected. Earth, Venus 2, and there's another Earth down there. That's 4 worlds. Meanwhile, the sun is still perfectly stable with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 planets. 7. Let's check here. 7 7 habitable worlds. That means the winner of the first round of the stellar tournament is our sun, the sun. Our star. It's the sun. I mean, I probably could have told you that, but these will get more interesting. Next time, it's gonna be something else. Stars that are slightly more interesting. It will be a much closer race next time. So if you want to see that, don't forget. If you want to see that, subscribe. And leave a like for the sun, man. The sun earned it. The sun put up a good fight. In fact, in the beginning, it looked like Proxima was going to win. But the sun came back. And the sun came back swinging. The sun came back just absolutely swinging. And Proxima, well, was flinging planets out of its solar system. And apparently into each other by the looks of it. So if you want to see more of this, subscribe, like, comment, and stay shibby.